start vacuuming here. Poppy's a little bit scared of the vacuum. She's not quite sure what to do with it. Hey, pups! Hey, Copper! Who wants to see the vacuum? Who wants to see it? Copper, you want to see? Who wants to see it? Copper, do you? Kip! Kipper! Coffee! You know you want to. Copper! Hey, Kipper! What do you think? Kipper! Kip! Kip! Hey, Callie! Hi, Crinkles! Coming back. What do you think? All right, Kip, you want to see what it is? Do you want to see? All right, maybe next time you won't be so scared. Gotta get back to cleaning. Bye.